you do, you cut it around and you take out the insides and you can blend it or boil it and it makes a lovely juice, passion fruit. And if you look over here, you'll see something that it looks sort of like a banana, but it's not, it's a plantain. Okay, yeah, it's a plantain, it's like the sister of a banana. Yeah, it gets yellow and then you pick it and you peel it off and you fry it in oil. Yeah, this right here is a sorrel plant, okay? It's usually planted just in time for Christmas also because it makes one of the best juices also, okay? And we normally make it for Christmas and you must have one on Christmas Day with a little rum or it wouldn't be a Merry Christmas, okay? Pawpaw, okay, it has a milk that comes from it that is called papine, right? And it's good to help heal the wounds, okay? Like back in the days, old people used to use it to heal their wounds, cuts and stuff. So it's a very good fruit. You can use it for lots of purposes. Okay, basically this is the Seven Sisters Waterfalls, okay? The reason why they call it the Seven Sisters Waterfall is because it's actually 7 waterfalls, but this is the last 2, okay? Basically, the history of the waterfall is that the island is a volcanic island, and when the island was created, it created all these spots here, this waterfall.